Yo guys, it's Shannon from SP88, yeah? Just fitted a 360 reversing or 360 camera system to this Nissan Qashqai. Alright, so that's the rear camera. Let me put the torchlight back on. That's the side camera. It's the front camera.
It's not me playing them.
It's the seat tunes. That's the other camera. Can you just put it on camera view for me, please?
Yeah, of course. Well, that's the, hold on. Let me do that properly.
Alright. So if you indicate left, it changes.
No, hold on. Let me go into the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
And then indicate right. It changes. Yeah. Calm. And there's also a little ADAS system at the front there as well.
Yeah.
Which is this one here.
Where is it?
And that's the other
This is
camera.
going to be fun to use. Trust me. This is going to be interesting because when I drive, if cars it starts doing lane assist and all them things there in cars. It starts putting cars in green and red boxes.
That'd be crazy. Let me know how you get on, man.
Oh, thank you. I will.
Alright, safe. So guys, get in touch if you need anything installed on your car. I'll take my time and do it properly.